10 traits that make him respect and admire you. Hello ladies, don't you all want a man who will respect and admire you? Today I'll be talking about the 10 traits that can make him respect and admire you. So what are those traits? Let's find out. Like and subscribe. Trait number 1, independence. Independence is a really awesome trait that can make him respect and admire you. Being independent means that you are confident. It shows that you can take care of yourself. You're responsible for your own happiness. This can be very attractive to men, mainly because it shows that you're self-assured and that you have your life together. Plus, an independent woman is often seen as strong and resilient. You're able to handle whatever life throws your way. That's a really appealing quality in a partner. A man knows that he can rely on you when he sees your independence. He's aware that you will always stand by his side. In general, being independent is a sign of confidence. It demonstrates your readiness to face the world. So go ahead and be your unique self, because that's exactly what he's looking for. Trait number 2, honesty. When you're honest, it shows that you have integrity. It's an indication that you're trustworthy. It indicates that you're willing to say what needs to be said, even when it's challenging. It shows that you're not attempting to conceal anything. This makes a partner incredibly attractive, because it indicates that you aren't playing games. You're not attempting to influence anybody. Apart from that, a man feels valued when you are open and real with him. Even if he doesn't want to hear it, it demonstrates your maturity. And it shows that you are able to deal with difficult circumstances in a sincere manner. Overall, being honest shows that you are dependable, mature, and have integrity. Be honest with him. It's attractive. Trait number 3, confidence. Confidence is an incredibly powerful trait that can make people respect and admire you. When you're confident, you exude an aura of self-assuredness that can be infectious to those around you. It communicates that you trust yourself and your abilities and that you're capable of handling any challenges that come your way. Confidence can also make you more attractive to others. People are drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin and radiate positivity. When you're confident, you're able to hold your head high and project an air of strength and competence that others can't help but admire. That being said, confidence isn't about just being self-assured. It's also about being humble and open to learning from others. Confident people are secure enough in themselves to acknowledge their shortcomings and take constructive criticism in stride. They're also looking for ways to improve and grow, and this mindset is incredibly inspiring to others. To sum it up, confidence is an essential trait that can help you earn the respect and admiration of those around you. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you're more likely to succeed and achieve your goals. So embrace your inner confidence and let it shine. Trait number 4, empathy. Empathy is a trait that can make others respect and admire you because it shows that you care about the feelings and experience of others. When you show empathy towards someone, you put yourself in their shoes and try to understand their perspective, which can help build a strong and meaningful relationship. People who are empathetic are often seen as kind, compassionate, and understanding, which are all traits that are highly valued in our society. When someone shows empathy towards us, we feel heard and validated, which can help strengthen our connection with them. In addition, empathy can help break down barriers between people and foster greater understanding and acceptance. By showing empathy towards someone who may be different from us, we can learn to appreciate their experiences and perspectives, which can help to create a more inclusive and tolerant society. By showing empathy towards others, you demonstrate that you are a kind and compassionate person who is willing to put others' needs before your own. Trait number 5, intelligence. Intelligence is a highly valued trait in society, and for good reason. Being intelligent means that you have the ability to process information quickly, make sound judgments, and come up with creative solutions to problems. People naturally respect and admire those who possess these traits because they know they can count on them to be reliable and knowledgeable. When you are intelligent, you're able to hold your own in conversations and make informed decisions. You have a deep understanding of the world around you and can use this knowledge to help others in their pursuits. This can be especially impressive to others who may not make the same level of intelligence or expertise in certain areas. In addition to earning respect and an admiration, being intelligent can lead to success in various areas of life. Whether you're in your career, personal life, or community, your intelligence can help you stand out and make a positive impact. Of course, intelligence alone is not enough to earn the respect and admiration of others. It's important to also be humble, kind, and open-minded. But when combined with these other traits, your intelligence can make you a truly remarkable individual that others will look up to and admire. Trait number 6, ambition. Well, what is life without purpose? Ambition is a powerful trait that can inspire respect and admiration from those around you. When someone is ambitious, they demonstrate a clear sense of purpose and direction in their life. and they have the drive and determination to pursue their goals. This kind of focus and dedication is not only impressive, but can also be contagious. When you see someone with clear vision for their future, it can inspire you to do the same. Furthermore, ambitious individuals often have strong work ethic and a willingness to take risks, which are both traits that are highly valued in our society. Overall, ambition is a trait that can command respect and admiration from others, and it is a quality that can help you achieve greater things in your own life. Trait number 7, kindness. Have you ever noticed how kindness can make such a huge impact on the people around us? It's a trait that has the power to inspire respect and admiration from others. When you're kind, you show a man that you care about the well-being of others and that you're willing to go out of your way to help them. This kind of behavior makes a real difference in someone's life, and it could create a positive and supportive environment. Kindness is also a sign of emotional intelligence and empathy, which are both highly attractive to men. When we're kind to others, we create a ripple effect of positivity and compassion that can inspire others to be kind as well. So if you want to be respected and admired by your man, kindness is definitely a trait to cultivate. Trait number 8, respectfulness. Respectfulness is a trait that can make a man respect and admire you. When you approach interactions with others in a respectful manner, you create an environment that encourages trust, understanding, and connection. By demonstrating respect for others, you show that you value their opinions, feelings, and perspective. When you're respectful, you listen actively and give others your full attention. You are patient and understanding, even when you disagree with their opinions or ideas. You treat others how you want to be treated, creating a positive impression on those around you. This can make a man feel comfortable and safe around you, as he knows that he will be treated with dignity and respect. In addition, respectfulness can be attractive. Men are drawn to women who are confident, kind, and respectful. By being respectful, you show that you are a person of integrity and high moral character. This can make a man respect and admire you, as he sees you as someone who is trustworthy and dependable. Trait number 9, patience. Patience is the ability to remain calm and composed in the face of adversity, without losing your temper or getting frustrated. When you exhibit patience, it shows that you have a strong sense of self-control and that you're capable of handling difficult situations with grace and composure. By demonstrating patience, you can earn the respect of those around you. When you remain calm in the face of stress or pressure, others will recognize that you have a level head and can be counted on to handle in tough situations. Additionally, patience is a key component of empathy. By taking the time to understand others and their needs, you can build strong relationships and earn the admiration of those around you. So if you want to earn the respect and admiration of those around you, try practicing patience in your daily life. Remember to take a deep breath and stay calm in situations, and take time to listen to others and understand their perspective. With a little patience, you can become someone that others truly admire and respect. Trait number 10, humility. Humility is a powerful trait that can truly make a man respect and admire you. While confidence and self-assuredness are important, humility can show that you're aware of your limitations and have deep respect for others. When you are humble, you are open to learning and growing from the people around you, and you show that you are not too proud to admit when you are wrong. This kind of attitude can be incredibly attractive to men, and it shows that you are approachable and willing to listen. By being humble, you can also avoid being seen as arrogant or entitled. Instead, men will see you as someone who is grounded and down to earth. This can help build strong relationships, both personally and professionally. When you are humble, you can connect with your partner on a deeper level and build trust and mutual respect. So if you want to be respected and admired by others, consider cultivating humility in your interactions with them. Listen to what others have to say, be willing to learn from them, and always strive to improve yourself. In doing so, you may find someone who is naturally drawn to you and is eager to work with you, learn from you, and grow with you. And that's it for our 10 traits that can make him respect and admire you. Remember, being true to yourself and being a good person are the most important things in any relationship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.